In this video, we're going to look at some recent updates to VS Code. There are several great improvements. If you want to learn more about VS Code, check out my VS Code course at vscodehero.com. The link is in the description below. And if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. The UX has now been improved for all clickable actions. So here's what it looks like before. And now after the update, we have better mouse hover feedback. New users may not be aware that a language needs to be set to take advantage of language support and hinting from VS Code. So now a hint will appear in Untitled editors. You can use this hint to select a language. And if you don't want to see this hint again, you can select Don't Show and it will never be displayed again. And we can now set auto updates to happen only on enabled extensions. Any disabled extensions will not be automatically updated. There's a new plus button with a drop-down menu in the terminal, and here you can select terminal profiles and settings. There's a new setting that adds typographer support to the built-in Markdown preview. Without this enabled, (C) is just (C), but let's enable it. Now (C) is automatically displayed as a copyright symbol in the preview. There are many other typographic replacements available too. By default, this setting is disabled. So that was just a quick update on some new features of VS Code. That's going to be it for this video. Like this video to help me out and subscribe if you haven't already for more videos like this.